Hey guys, welcome back, Mindy here. So today I'm super excited because we are going to be checking out these latest, newest wireless gaming peripherals from ASUS. As much as cables have lower latency, wireless products just makes things so much cleaner. This is not sponsored, but thank you ASUS for sending these products out to me, and I'm so freaking excited to open them now. Yep, let's do it. So firstly, we're gonna check this out. This is the ROG Claymore 2 wireless optical mechanical gaming keyboard, and it has a detachable numerical keypad. Wow, this is something I've not seen yet. Ooh, this is one heavy thing. Ooh, awesome. This smells so freaking new. I can see them. Oh, it's here. Oh, okay, let me just open it the way I'm supposed to. This is the numerical keypad. It just feels so nice when they are all protected by a cloth. You know, they really care about the keyboard when they do that. All black, super duper sleek. Wow, I'm gonna annoy so many people, man. I will be annoying everyone on the stream. Okay, what else is in the box? These are stickers! And we have some dongles here. Ooh, this is the wrist rest! If you're someone who needs a wrist rest for a mechanical keyboard, you don't have a like source for another one, it comes in this beautiful set. Nice. One thing I like about this keyboard is this, okay guys? Come on, click! It's supposed to click! Why isn't it clicking? What? But it's supposed to click. Oh, you have to take it out. Okay. It would have been so cool if you just managed to like click it like that, but oh. Okay, careful. I guess it's not completely magnetic. I feel like this should be magnetic. Okay. Yes! Okay, I'm doing a lot of damage here, so you can just like simply hook it up. At the back, we have a USB port, wireless on-off button, and we have the charging port. So next we're checking this out. This is a Gladius 3 wireless gaming mouse. Oh, magnets. Wow. Okay, this is definitely heavier than the one I currently have. At the bottom of this, there's a lot of words, which isn't my favorite part because I like things that are clean. So, yep. On the sides, there's actually some kind of friction, which makes it nice to hold. And right here, we have another cable for this mouse. Oh my gosh, they're all USB-C. I love this. Okay, now let's check this out. Okay, this is the ROG Strix Go 2.4. This is not exactly new, but this is entirely wireless as well. This is a wireless headset that you can use for your Switch, mobile, or PC gaming, all because of this USB-C L-shaped dongle. Welcome to the elite Republic of Gamers community. Okay, I feel like I'm being invited to some kind of club. Wow, woo! Okay, I love it whenever headsets come with a case because because it shows that they care about how this is being protected. Like if you have to bring this out when you travel, at least you have a case to put your headphones in. So in the case, they even have the ROG logo, which is very nice, very sleek. Woo! Wow! Oh my gosh, they feel so freaking premium. The back of these head cups are matte black, paired with the leather ear cup, and they feel super duper soft. We have a mic. Oh my gosh, I've never owned a gaming headset with a mic before. Oh my gosh, you can bend this? I did not know that. Wait, am I bending this right? Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is like so bendable. Oh my gosh, should I do a mic test with this? Can I do like record podcasts with this? How well does it sound though? Okay, and right here we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, the L-shaped USB-C dongle. So now we're going to set these up. Okay. So everything's all set up via this dongles connected to my USB extension. and this is connected to the PC so that everything is like all connected. And let's play some Overwatch, okay? Okay. We're gonna be using the Rode mic right now, just because I know it sounds better. Not super used to using this 10 keyless keyboard. This is very unusual for me. They're coming in from here. Oh my god. How did I fall? Attack the tank, attack the tank. Oh my god. Ooh, hide. Thank you. Kill this bitch. Oh crap, I just died. So close though, so close. Okay. Up we go. We gotta get rid of Farah. Farah is killing everyone. Nice! Nice work. We killed Farah before she could do anything. Oof. Okay, my hands are sweaty. We gotta go. Oh my gosh, this is so fast. I have an ult. Yes, come on. I feel so mean. We're practically like at the door. Woo! 10-player kill streak. I died! Oh, but we won. We won. Even though, yeah, but 11-player kill streak, damn. So one thing I realized from testing these, Claymore means boom and Gladius means sword. So with these, you're indestructible when you game. But how to do that is, if you try them, comment below and let me know. Links below if you want to get them now. But jokes aside, let's talk about the keyboard. Now this is something new, something I haven't seen before, and I'm talking about the extremely modular design. If you want a 100% keyboard, here you go. If you don't like it, take it out. If you want a numpad on the left, there it is. And if you need a wrist rest, here you go. Personally, I don't really like this number pad. I'm not used to it and I never ever use this, and that's why I'm more of a 75% keyboard kind of girl. Although I have to say this volume scroll is a pretty nice touch. But I really did wish that you could use the keyboard and the number pad separately like this. That would have been super duper cool. Now, typing experience is pretty great, but it's something to get used to. I'm coming from a 75% keyboard, so getting used to these took some time, and I did find myself hitting the wrong keys quite often, but it's just something to get used to. These are the blue switches. They have extremely clicky sounds, and they are non-hot swappable. Key travel is decent enough such that you feel that satisfaction when you slam the keys down when you're gaming or when you're typing those long essays. The keys do not rattle, they feel very stable, very well built, and this is how it sounds like. I'm pretty picky with my keyboards. I need to love how they sound, how they feel, and that's why I love my customized keyboard. But if you guys aren't as particular as me, this is actually a pretty good build. Quality is premium. We have an aluminum frame here, and the keycaps all top-notch quality. And if you're into RGB, these have RGB backlit keys. Very fun. Get about 47 hours of wireless gaming with this keyboard, and that's about 2 days, perfect for weekend gaming. And one easy way to check out your battery life is on the top. Now moving on to the Gladius 2 mouse, I love the shape, how nice it feels in my palm. The engravements on the sides gives it a kind of friction that makes it much easier to hold. This mouse is not flat, there's a kind of bump here, which reminds me of my MX Master 3, and that's why this feels really comfortable, really familiar, and it fits my palm so well. It's also supposed to be great for various right-hand grip style like palm, claw, fingertip. Weight also plays a huge factor into mouse, especially gaming mouse. This is not too heavy, but it's also not the lightest. Coming from this D- Gladius mouse, I am spoiled by just how lightweight it is. It's just so easy to move around, especially when I'm gaming. I love it. But the Gladius wins because it's wireless. And cable-free means a much cleaner setup. This is also a very sensitive mouse, up to 26,000 dpi. What's cool is you don't need a software to change the dpi, you can change it on the mouse scroll. It's perfect if you're using a Mac and cannot install the Armory software. One more thing is this super cool feature. This mouse comes with hot swappable mechanical switches, so you just pop these off, unscrew it, and there you go. You can swap out these switches to something that you prefer. I've never been so particular about how mouse clicks feel, but now I can if I wanted to. But is this the best mouse I've tried? Well, for gaming, I still feel like this is my favorite mouse, although I really wish I could cut off the cable and just use this wirelessly. I don't really feel the cable when I'm gaming on this mouse, but wireless everything, no cable, it just makes my table so much neater, and that's what I want. Okay, moving on to this headset. Now, the sound is nothing groundbreaking, but for its price, it does its job perfectly well. If you need to hear sounds, footsteps in the game, this is more than good enough, but this is not audiophile quality. There are much better ones in the market, although those might be like a tad more expensive. I'll leave a few links for you guys to check out. Comfort-wise, this is not that very stretchy, and it's even foldable for you to bring around when you travel. Ear cups feel very comfortable, and it has some kind of passive noise cancellation going on, but after wearing this for a while, I do feel some ear fatigue and I gotta remove them, otherwise my head gets kind of like pain from wearing this. This is not the lightest you can find. Compared to this, my Sony's feel super light, but given that other gaming headsets are pretty bulky, I would say this is pretty good. The headset also comes with an external mic, but I just would not recommend using this if you already have a dedicated mic like my Wave 3. And this is how the mic on the headset sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys, my viewers, are the most incredible, most supportive people ever. Both the internal and external mics on this headset comes with noise cancellation feature, basically using AI to remove all background noise like your really loud keyboard and focusing only on your beautiful, pretty voice. And I have to say, these do a pretty great job at that, but just like any other noise gate filters, I tend to turn them off. Just because my voice can get pretty high pitched during gaming sessions. I mean, I scream and yell a lot, and with the AI feature turned on, my voice gets super distorted when I scream. They just remove all the high pitched sounds. Now let's talk price. These are in the range of $300, $400, and $200 bucks. $400 for this keyboard. Personally, I would much rather spend that on a customized keyboard where I can have my switches, keycaps, boards built specifically to my taste. But given that this is a wireless, full-size, modular, RGB, well-built keyboard, this is probably one of its kind, and that's why it's charged so high. These will not be your most affordable gaming accessories, but they stand out in their own way. I mean, I love the wireless feature, and if you're someone who wants a clean setup that works, these are great choices available right now. And what's great is that these accessories come with ASUS Armory Crate software, where you can further customize them to your preferences. But note, the software is only available on Windows, so Mac users beware. It's always exciting to check out and play with new gaming accessories just to have a grasp of how the future looks like. But yeah, everything mentioned will be linked below, and if you're in Singapore, do use my affiliate code for 10% off. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe to help the channel reach 10,000 subscribers and more by the end of this year. Stay minty and cherry. Goodbye!